If your blade stuck, you can raise it up and put it down, so you don't have to bring to repair store or change this table. So just flip it over and all problem with this metal rod. So I use air compressor oil, what I have every day with me on my job site. You can use any oil, just put oil on this metal rod. Then take saw and flip it back. And try to move it up and down a little bit and raise it up. Maximum. You're hearing sound, it's still a little stuck. Okay, down, 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 down. Up. So put a little more. That's it.